Hey guys, inside this video, we are going to show you a huge landing page redesign and transformation. This is one of the biggest ones I've shared on my channel, so stick around to see all of the page because this is going to give you some serious actionable insights that you can implement on your Shopify store. I'm Kenyon. I'm co-founder and CEO of ConversionWise, one of the world's largest CRO and landing page design companies. For context, for the last 12 years, we have designed more landing pages than any other agency, and we currently run CRO for 80 plus 7, 8, and 9-figure brands on Shopify. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, but let's jump straight into this huge transformation. So with this client, we were tasked with taking their unoptimized home collection page and turning it into something that really demands clicks and pushes people further down the funnel to the all-important collection and bestsellers page. As you can see, we slightly optimized the navigation and notice bar, but this isn't the biggest transformation. The only thing we've done here is change the color, because if you want your notice bar to get noticed, make it noticeable. Have a contrasting color, have a bold statement in there, and make sure it's clickable. Secondly, we've changed the image. Now, the image before aesthetically was absolutely beautiful. It's an amazing image. However, it doesn't actually showcase the end goal. It doesn't show the product in use. So we've now used another nice image, but we've ultimately transform this by actually showing the tea in a mug so people can visualize what they're getting when they're buying this product. We've then supported that with a better, bolder, bigger description, a nice sub-headline that again further accentuates the benefit and the outcome of this amazing chai tea. And then we have that all-important social proof. Again, I just don't understand why brands don't utilize social proof above the fold. We've supported that social proof with a full whip call to action. It now takes people through to the collection page, as previously there was no call to action above the fold. We're now demanding that click more. Underneath that, we've anchored it with our 3 benefit-driven bullet points. These are 3 simple bullet points that really mentions the outcome and the benefit the cold consumer is going to get when they purchase this product. We've then used text and icons to further take that value even higher. And then we've used logos, and we've taken their trust and credibility of those brands and their authority of those publications, and we've displayed them underneath. This brand has been focused and featured in some amazing publications, so we've leveraged their authority by showcasing those logos slightly above the fold but way at the bottom. So this is a huge transformation. All these elements are really important. If you want to see more of these breakdowns, just head on over to our YouTube channel. We've got literally hundreds of them. If you're enjoying them, let me know in the comments, smash the like, hit the subscribe, and if you want my agency to redesign your store so that it converts way better, get in touch at ConversionWise.com. There'll also be a link down below this video. I'll see you in the next one.